Your channel, any user, how we can make an attractive Instagram video. I can show step-by-step processing will be here. First of all, set a YouTube channel or Instagram account. It will be attractive video is the more important. When a people we can saw the video, they can easily can understanding how we can show your content. So this is the mainly visible content to the particular users. Any video making, so many applications are there. But desktop user, the one option is called Canva. Instagram Reel, Facebook Reel, and YouTube Shorts. The particular size we can select 1080 by 1920 pixel. The video you can make it here like this. Every person will laptop. The video ఖచ్చితంగా చూడండి. So purpose of laptop and must watch the video. I'm represent this video will be using for Instagram purpose. Select here. I'm using for selecting for attractive content. After that, I'm using for laptop emojis. What are the emojis you require? We can save for emojis on particular documentation. So here it is. The emoji will be adding here where I can save this emoji. I can go to the emoji one and so we have to select that emoji like this. So here it is emoji. So it will be present like this. Now click for download this emoji. Attractive image nothing but visible content. Any user can come into your Instagram account. It will be impressive content. Easily can understand. This is the content I'm mostly using for Telugu user purpose. So I'm making with using option name is Canva. That option I'm adding here. First of all, I have to prepare the content. So prepare content. First of all, which content I am preparing here. Copy. Here it is. Compulsory hashtags. That is not mandatory field. If you have, you can add your particular hashtag option. So why we can use in Telugu? Most of the Telugu user when we explain in Telugu, I'm using for Telugu content and English content also will be applicable. But right now, I'm using option name is called Telugu content to show your particular user purpose. So this video is going to download will be here is done. Next, going to select your post option. Click here where I can video will be download. Selecting English, selecting in version option, which is more compatible to show your thumbnail. Select it, click for next and here. So anyone you have to tag it here. So tag them, their particular profiles. How many profiles you have? Tag this. There's many profiles. So everyone here. And here it is. Location. It's called shape. Accessibility. What is the text will be here? It is a here. There is auto generation caption. Any hide likes and views count on this post. You can hear. Turn off commenting box will be here is the option. Now click for share this particular video. If you have hide the views and likes on your particular post on Instagram, it's very comfortable to hide your particular comment and likes also, including the complete commenting also. Views, likes. Image will be likes. There is a complete you can hide on a particular Instagram post. So this is the way we have to use in particular user when we will be search on Instagram account. So select here If you are opening an Instagram account, see this, here it is, easily visible, every person. So if you are interested, they can like your particular video. So this will be represent for Instagram account. Clearly make the video and upload it on your Instagram account. If any further question, making a videos, Canva, anything, you can contact my channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.